Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and before I begin, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Now, in this video, I'm going to be going over my results. It hasn't been that long yet. It has been about, I want to say about 3 weeks, just under a month for posting Facebook Reels and getting leads to my business. Now, I'm going to show you the results I'm getting right now. And like I said, it hasn't been 30 days yet of me just simply posting Facebook Reels. So let's take a look here. So as you can see, my insights, this is going back from April 30th, which I didn't start on April 30th. This is what Facebook incorporates or calculates as well too. Now, people reached so far is over 9,000 people, close to 10,000. 9,740 people reached with my Facebook Reels. Okay, and then the post engagement, which is the views, is 6,277 engagements. Now, this is not even for me posting every day. This is for me posting once or twice per week, which is I'm gonna get more active. Okay, and I have 32 page likes. All right, and this is one of the reels I posted already. So 972 people reached, and you could put your link to your website, blog, or in this case, I'm promoting Web Talk, so I put it in here, and I'll show you the results from that as well. And here's another one I posted. 950 people reached. And I also got a few shares as well too. So I'm getting organic reach from that as well. 93 people reached with that one. 983 people reached with this reel. 964 people reached with that reel. Okay, so as you can see, so I am getting some results. And then I want to show you something else real quick. Okay, this is Bitly. This is the link I create the free link shortener I created. Okay, so this is another one of my results, and you go down here, Facebook, and this is all from Reels I'm posting. So I got 8 clicks on that. I did get a few signups as well too. Okay, so I did get a few signups from that. All right, now let's go back to Facebook here. Now they also have a bonus program as well too. And I'm gonna go over that more in another video. But you should definitely, if you want to get leads for your business, you definitely want to try this method out. They are pushing Reels really hard, Facebook Reels, because they're trying to compete with Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube as well. All right, so as I stated before, if you do like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, and have a good one, YouTube.